Welcome to our cheerleading hairstyle tutorial. Whether you're getting ready for a big game, competition, or just want to show some team spirit, the right hairstyle can make all the difference. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a fun and spirited cheerleading hairstyle with bows. This look is not only stylish but also functional, keeping your hair out of your face while you cheer your heart out. So, let's get started. Materials you'll need: hairbrush hair elastics. Match them to your team colors if possible. Bobby pins, hairspray cheerleading bows. Match them to your team colors as well. Hair donut, optional. Step 1. Prepare your hair. Before we start creating the cheerleading hairstyle, make sure your hair is clean and tangle-free. Brush it thoroughly to remove any knots or snarls. If you have long or thick hair, consider using a hair donut to add volume and make styling easier. Step 2. Part your hair. Now, create a neat part in your hair. You can choose to part it in the middle or on the side, depending on your preference. Make the part as straight as possible for a polished look. Step 3. High ponytail. Gather all your hair at the crown of your head and secure it with a hair elastic. This will be a high ponytail. Make sure it's tight and secure to keep your hair in place during your cheer routine. Step 4. Tease the ponytail. To add some volume and texture to your ponytail, use a comb to gently tease it. Start at the base and work your way up, being careful not to damage your hair. This will help create a more voluminous and bouncy look. Step 5. Secure with a bow. Now, take one of your cheerleading bows and attach it to the base of your ponytail. Make sure it's centered and secure. You can use bobby pins if needed to keep it in place. Step 6. Create cheerleading curls. To add some extra flair to your hairstyle, you can create cheerleading curls. Take small sections of your ponytail and wrap them around a curling iron, or use a hair straightener to create curls. Repeat this process for all sections of your ponytail. You can also use a hairspray to set the curls in place. Step 7. Accessorize. Don't forget to add some team spirit to your look by accessorizing with matching cheerleading bows on each side of your head. Secure them with bobby pins or clips. This will complete your cheerleader look and show off your team colors. Step 8. Finishing touches. Once you're satisfied with your hairstyle, give it a final spritz of hairspray to keep everything in place. Use your fingers to adjust any loose curls or strands, ensuring your hairstyle looks polished and ready for action. Step 9. Secure your bows. To prevent your cheerleading bows from falling off during your routine, use a few extra bobby pins to secure them to your hair. This will keep them in place, no matter how energetic your performance gets. Step 10. Practice and enjoy. Now that your cheerleading hairstyle is complete, it's time to practice your cheers and routines with confidence. Your stylish and functional hairstyle will keep you looking great while you support your team. Conclusion. Creating a cheerleading hairstyle with bows is a fantastic way to show your team spirit and look fabulous while cheering on your favorite team. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to perfect this hairstyle in no time. So, get out there, cheer your heart out, and let your hair be the ultimate expression of your team pride.